In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently open and update your Lovable AI project, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned with your vision and ready to go live. We'll guide you through this straightforward process while offering some handy tips along the way. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open your Lovable AI project. The navigation should be seamless within the platform. You'll either land directly on a project dashboard or can select the particular project you have in mind from a list. Once your project is open, you're ready to take the next step, which is crucial for making any adjustments you envision. Now, it's time to access the code editor. Lovable AI typically offers an intuitive built-in code editor, making it convenient to modify your project directly within the platform. However, if you prefer working in a familiar environment or need additional functionality, exporting the code to your local editor is a perfectly viable option. This flexibility ensures you can choose the environment that best suits your workflow and preferences. With the code now accessible, you can proceed to modify the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or any backend components of your project as needed. Whether your changes involve adjusting the layout through HTML, styling through CSS, enhancing interactivity via JavaScript, or fine-tuning backend logic, take your time to implement each modification thoughtfully. It's helpful to keep in mind best practices and code efficiency, especially if your project is complex or involves collaboration with others. After making your desired changes, saving your work is crucial. Fortunately, most editors provide straightforward options to save files, whether through a save button or keyboard shortcuts. Once everything is saved, it's important to preview your project to verify that your updates function as intended. This step allows you to catch any issues quickly and see your changes in real time. It serves as a valuable opportunity to test the user experience from start to finish. Finally, with your updates confirmed and working smoothly, the last step is to redeploy or export your updated project. Within Lovable AI, redeployment might be as simple as clicking a button to publish your changes live. Alternatively, if you're exporting the project, this will involve packaging it to be hosted or integrated elsewhere. Regardless of the method, ensure that everything is functioning as expected in its final environment. By following these steps, you're ensuring your Lovable AI project is not only updated, but also optimized to deliver the best results. We're confident that with a little practice, this process will become second nature, allowing